Hi guys, my name is Shubham Fengde and today video topic is constructor and difference between constructor and destructor in Java. Then as we know the Java strictly follows OOPS concept. All the variables and methods must be variables and method must be present in the class. Java classes contain both the constructor and methods. Before understanding the difference between constructor and methods, let's recall the constructor and method as follows. The constructor and methods both are different from each other. However, the constructor is used for initializing the object states and member object states. Constructor can also contain data members and member function in the same way as as the member function of the constructor are executed at the time of creating an object of that class. The new keywords plays an important role in creating an instance of a class. Let's take an example and understand how we can create an object of the class and call it the constructor of the class. Then what is method? The method is a block of code that use for performing a particular task. The method is a block of code that is used for performing a particular task. It's reduce the length of repetitive code. It may or not return value to the caller. By creating a method we can reuse the code. By creating a method we can reuse the code without repeating the code. Let's take an example of method to understand how we can create method and use it in our class. Then create methods, find number, and the code is always return value to the main method. Then difference between constructor and method we follows point by point. Then first constructor and then next method. The first point is a block of code that initialize at the time of creating a new object of the class is called constructor. And method, a set of code is a statement that performs specific tasks with and without returning value to the caller is known as a method. It is mainly used for initializing the object. It is constructor. It is mainly used to reduce the code, writing the code again and again. It is a method. It is implicitly invoked by the system, and method is called by the programmer, and that's it. And this is the difference between in constructor and methods in Java. Thank you.